Hey guys, I've got two things to tell you. First of all, before I tell you, I'm with the kitties. I'll show you the last thing. I'll tell you the really cool thing I heard. Aiden's going to be really excited about this. And my viewers and my friends at school. But I did see bats outside. Right now there are bats flying around. I thought they were crows with like broken wings, but they're bats. There are bats in my area, in my what's it called? Whatever it's called, I'll find out the word. But in my area, there are bats. Like they just flew. I just saw this like that were cut out in their wings. I thought the crows were like broken wings. But all the crows are probably in their nests right now. And the second thing is, I think I saw a pale-headed rosella on my across the road neighbour's roof. So I'm gonna pause the video and go outside and show the bats. Okay guys, you can't see me, but they're bats. Where are they? I saw bats. Like I'm in my area right now. Oh, there you go. I see bats. You can see one right now. But it's quite dark outside. There's so many bats. They're duck crows and they've got big black wings. There's one. There's one. There are bats. Oh, it looks like it's so dark. I don't know what that is. Digger. There's one. Oh my god, guys. There are bats. Bats everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go back inside now. There's like so many bats. It's scary. Batman's coming to life. Okay, go back to my room. See if I can find any bats out my window. Okay. Oh, it's easy to see. I've got my popcorn here, but I saw bats. I like watching birds, guys. Until I had to go inside because it's getting itchy. Itchy and sore. You know when you get mozzies. And I saw bats. Can you hear that? They're bats. Like bats are nocturnal animals, aren't they? Tell me in the comments if it's right. Anyone who's watching this video, comment in the video. Comment on this video if you heard those bat noises. And if you didn't, well, you're deaf. No offense. Gonna have to go back out there. Gonna have to make another video of bats. So I know I did a video like a few hours ago of cookie champing. But for this one I'll go up too. Of course the same day, it's night time. It's so hot in my room. But it's just so scary. Bats. I thought they were crows with broken wings. I don't know. I didn't know what they were until I found out. I just remembered. So just so you know, she might be in my videos very soon. But there's a girl across the road called Militia, and I was at her house, and she was saying that around here there's bats. And I was like, but in my head, like, that's not true. Bats don't live around here. I've never seen bats around here. But because I haven't seen bats around here, because like I said, I'm not outside every single night. She's probably outside every single night playing. You can hear the red ones. But when I went out here, because I wanted to see some bird studying, because I saw this little beautiful bird, and I wanted to see it. I knew it was a parrot, because it sounded like the red ones. I thought the red ones were attracting other red one parrots into the street. But I found out it was actually a pale-headed rosella. And then I was watching the miners, and I like to call this tree in my street the miner tree that's diagonal from my house, and miners fight over fruit, native fruit. But then I was sitting there watching them. I was making noises for my bird noise app. The miners were coming to our house. They're probably flying away from the bats. I don't know if it's coming from my sound or my bats and noise, but they're trying to hide from the bats because the poor little miners. They're just little birds, and bats could scare them easily because bats can fly. And that's why I saw them. And I'm scared of bats. I'm scared if they're going to hurt me, if they're going to be dangerous. So I'm going to go back out there very soon. I'm going to have a look at those bats. And I will make a video. I'll post it tomorrow because I don't want to post any more videos. I only post videos less than 2 and less. So I only post about 2 sometimes if there's like something that happens after a video that I make. Like say for instance I saw a pale-headed rosella and a bunch of bats. Basically I'm going to call them a flock of bats flying over, and it was just so crazy, weird. That was so scary. So make sure to watch this video because when you see the title, you're going to be pretty surprised, especially Aiden. Pretty surprised. Now also, remember, Backyard Bird School, when I was uploading Cookie's chirping on my laptop. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. But when I was uploading it, I saw that one of my Backyard Bird School videos, when I uploaded, it was only the one of the school packs. But I did do a video that I explained all about Backyard Bird School, I think. I don't know. Because usually my videos don't delete like that. Sometimes I'll see that they're deleted. They failed to upload. But I just delete them off of YouTube and I try to upload again. But I don't know what happened that one. I don't know if I didn't even do one of the 2 Backyard Bird Schools. I don't know. So it's kind of scary. Bats are outside. And I'm excited that I found a new bird species that I want to study. This is just so weird. Scary and excited and a bit weird. Those two just mix up weird. But I'm going to go check on those bats again. It's just quite scary. Bats. I don't trust them. But usually bats are in caves. But those are called cave bats, aren't they? That's why you should never trust a cave. But bats just flying over my estate. That's where I got the word from. I think you can see me better now. Yes. So guys, I'm going to upload a video about bats after this video. Okay, bye.